Hey y'all, it's Jessica Riffle in Wilmington, North Carolina, and I just want to talk one more time about this great $8,000 tax credit that is being offered right now from the government. I have had a ton of feedback and questions and interests about this $8,000 tax credit that I talked about on Friday, and yes, a lot of the questions that you're asking me, it's kind of like, it sounds too good to be true. It sounds like there has to be a catch, and there really isn't. It's pretty much cut and dry what I stated last week. It is an $8,000 amount, and just to answer a couple of the most frequent questions I have, if you do not owe any taxes to the government when you file your taxes after purchasing, your house in 2009, file your taxes, you don't owe anything, they're going to send you a check for $8,000, and you do not have to pay that amount back. That's one of the biggest questions I have had is, are you sure, there's no way you have to pay it back? Are there any stipulations with that? And, what about if I don't owe anything, then what? What do I qualify for? The other thing is that if you are married, the income level is set at $150,000, not $75,000. So if you are a married couple filing jointly, $150,000, and there actually is some other credits you can be eligible for if you make a little bit over that $150,000. You'd have to talk to your individual CPA for those cases. And lastly, the last kind of biggest question, I guess, has been, what if when I file, or the first-time home buyer, how do you actually qualify as a first-time home buyer? Because most people, when they keep hearing this talk about the first-time home buyer tax credit, they think, well, shoot, I bought a house 10 years ago and sold it 9 years ago. Darn, I'm not a first-time home buyer. I don't qualify. You actually would qualify. The way that works is first-time home buyers, or anyone who has not owned their primary property in the last 3 years. So if you owned a property in 1995 and you sold it in 1998, you would qualify. So hopefully that answers some of you that maybe have been thinking about it and haven't asked me the question. Hopefully that'll help you out a little bit. So again, please continue to call me and email me. I would love to hear your feedback and your comments and your questions, and I hope that helps any of you that are questioning a little bit or just have some further questions on it. So have a great evening, and I look forward to talking to everybody again soon. Thanks so much.